Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually make money online without investing much or anything for that matter into your business. Now obviously this is a strategy which is being used by a lot of individuals, and there's a lot of steps that come into this, and there's a lot of individuals that have mastered this strategy. And if you want to master this strategy, then this is definitely the video for you. So I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the different methodologies and different strategies that people are using, and the one in particular that we are going to elaborate on is the eBay one. Now eBay.com, we know for a fact, is one of the biggest e-commerce website available on the internet today, and there's a lot of individuals that are buying, that are selling, that are trading on eBay.com. And obviously if you want to harness and use this opportunity to become financially independent and break away from the 9 to 5, then this is definitely the opportunity for you. The first thing that you need to do is create an eBay account, and for that you need to head over on the top over here where it says sign in and register. So obviously this is one of the most crucial bits that you have to keep in mind, because a lot of time what people tend to do is they click on register and then they don't put their proper information. Now if you want to open a personal account, you need to put your first name, your last name, your email, your password. But if you want to open your business account, you need to put your business name, your business email, your password, and your business location. And guys, one of the most important things you have to do is understand that you only want to buy on eBay and you don't want to sell. This is something very important you have to understand. And obviously please go through the user agreement and the user privacy notice to understand exactly what your legal limitations are at the end of the day. Once you've created your account, you'll be able to see your name on the top left hand side corner over here where you'll have your account setting, and you can sign out and sign in from here as well. Now obviously what we're going to look at is something very important, which is the element of research. And obviously I personally feel one of the most important factors whenever you're thinking about investing or starting your dropshipping business is going in detail and understanding exactly what you need to buy and what product is definitely selling. And it's for that reason I always recommend individuals to do their research, and the best place to do their research is the seller hub. Now this is the seller hub, and there's an option over here on the top side which it says research, and obviously once we click on it, it's going to give us a complete breakdown of all the different products that are available. Now we can do it from product research, we can do it from sourcing. So let's select a product over here. We're going to go with the iPods, and as we search for the iPod, what this particular element does is that it gives us the full breakdown of what the average sold price is, what is the sold price range, what is the average shipping, what is the free shipping, what is the total sold number, and what is sell through and total sellers, and the total sales that this product has made. Now we know the average sold price is $61, and obviously 42,742 have been sold. There is 7,679 total sellers, and this has a total sale of $2.6 million. And as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the full information of who is selling it, what is the average price, what is the shipping price, how much they have sold, what are the sales that they've made, and when was the last date that they actually sold the product. This individual over here has sold the Apple HomePod Mini Wi-Fi Bluetooth wireless smart speaker, and they have made $126,687. This individual has made $150,000. So these are massive sellers that are available over here that is making a lot of money. Now obviously you could be one of them, but you need to understand how to break into the market, how to advertise, how to promote, and what strategy that you need to have. And this is what this video is about, because I'll show you exactly what you need to do, and once you do it properly, you'll be able to scale your business and become a major seller on eBay.com. Now obviously one of the major things, like I said before, is the fact that you need to understand the average sold price. You need to understand the research aspect of it, and obviously once you understand the research aspect of it, then you would definitely be able to take matters to the next level. Now if you change the top from sold to active, these are the active ones that are available over here. Now we've seen that the average selling price for the iPod is absolutely brilliant, so this is definitely a product that can make you a lot of money. What happens next? The story does not end there. You need to head over to a website which is called Zig Analytics, where you can find hot products for your eBay store in minutes. And the reason for this that you'd have to do that is it takes away the guesswork from your product research. If you want to run a successful business on eBay, you need to do your research, and what better place to do your research at Zig Analytics, because if you see a product or a niche and the demand is likely to be profitable before listing the item, you can uncover hot products, you can set the right right prices, and you can build titles that attract buyers. And obviously eBay sellers have been helped over 100,000 times, and there's more than 100 million products that are available, and they've generated sales of more than $750 million. And the pure element that I love about doing Zinc Analytics is that you don't have to do primary research. Now there's two elements over here, guys, that you need to understand, and that comes from research. One way of doing research is primary research, and the second way is secondary research. Primary research is where you physically go and search for information, and you find information, and then you base your item selection on that information. The other way, which is the secondary research, which is by using Zinc Analytics, is the fact that you let someone else do the research for you. It is faster, it is easier, and it's more profitable because you don't have to worry about the workflow, the speed, the scale, the profitability, or the products, because everything that they do, they understand and they have an experience of doing research. And that is the reason they always bring products out that definitely are winners and are gonna make you money at the end of the day, because they analyze every single thing that's available on social media. Now, as we search for these elements, you can clearly see there's a lot of options that are available, and there's different price ranges that are available, and you can easily get this product from CJ Dropshipping at a very reasonable price. The lower the price, the higher the profit margin is going to be, guys. That is the beauty of making money and starting a successful business on eBay, because it gives you a chance to harness and take a control of your finances, where you can always buy things at a very bargain price and sell them at a very higher price. Now comes the question that once you've done all of that, what you need to do. I recommend individuals to always head over to youtube.com and start their YouTube channel. And obviously, if we search for wireless headphones, we're going to get a lot of content creators that are talking about wireless headphones. Now, what you need to do is very simple and very straightforward. This individual in 13 days has made 1.6 million views on this particular video. And obviously, once you select a product and once you place that product on eBay, you can make a video of that particular product and then put it on YouTube and then link your actual eBay shop into the video. Then whenever someone sees that video, it will be advertising, and they would click on your description to buy the particular product from your store. It is as simple and straightforward as that, guys. I'm talking about free advertisement, and the beauty of it at the end of the day is that YouTube is also going to pay you as soon as someone watches that video once you get monetized. So you make money from selling the product and you make money from the video itself. So there's two ways of making passive incomes at the end of the day. That is the beauty of the internet age that we live in today, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, assist you in whatever manner possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.